Today we have a couple of problems which I'm going to show you what I mean solve a quadratic equation by factory. We're going to solve some two problems, okay? So but before to solve this problem we have here solve for u u to the second power plus 10u plus 25 equals 0. We have to find the value, how much is the value of u. All right, but before I'm gonna remember some concept about this class. Okay, first the factor a quadratic to factor a quadratic of the form, this form x squared plus bx plus c, write it where c, in this case, this is c. I mean the c is equals r1 times r2. All right, and b, I mean this is equals r1 plus r2. I mean, we have to find two numbers. When you multiply these numbers, is equal c. Okay, and then also at the same times, those numbers, those factors, when you add those factors, must be equals b. All right. So two numbers when you multiply must be equals 25. At the same time, when you add it, must be equals 10. All right, so it's simple. Let's go and solve this equation, okay, by factoring. Okay, first let me do some little table here. So factor here pairs of c, in this case c equals 25, right? This is a little table, and then sum of factors, sum of factor pairs. So we have this little table here. So those numbers here, for example, is 1 times 25 is equals 25, right? Also 5 times 5 is equals 25. Those are the factors here. When you added 1 plus 25 is equals 26, right? Here 5 plus 5 is equals 10. Now the right answer is look at this, is 25 is c, here is b, is equals 10. So this is the right one. This is the right one. So step one, this is, I mean, that's the first step to solve a problem. Now we have the factor 5 and 5. Okay, factor 5 and 5. You have here sum 2. You added these two factors is equals 10. So this is fine. Use these factors and terms to factor our equation. Our equation is u to the second power plus 10u plus 25 equals 0. Okay, now we have to find the factors here. Where are the factors? What are the factors? You already have it. So the factors is 5 here plus 5. I mean 5 plus 5. But then u plus 5 and u plus 5. okay, equals 0. Step 2, I'm gonna write here, this is step 1, this is step 2. So step 2, use the 0 property here. Use the 0 property to solve both factoring here, then of the equation. So the 0 property here, we are gonna have u plus 5 equals 0 here. So let me write it here, 0 property. Yeah, because I erase it. So easy. U is equals negative 5. So the solution is u equals negative 5. This is our solution because we are looking for the value for u. Okay, this is the way to factor the equation. So the equation by factoring. This is very simple. Okay, let's go and do another problem. Now let's write. Let me write another problem here. Solve for f. This equation is f to the second power minus 13f plus 22 equals 0. Okay, so the first step, step 1, do the table. Let me do a little table right here. So again, I want to write this factor here. Factor pairs of c equals, in this case, how much is c? Is 22, right? And then the other side, sum the of factor some just for the process. We don't here. Let's find the factors. For example, if you write negative 1 times negative 22 is equals how much? It's 22 right here. Also, you have negative 2 times negative 11, same thing, it's 22. But remember, when you multiply the factors at the same time, when you add it, those factors must be equals, in this case, negative 13. Negative 13. So negative 1 plus negative 2, how much is it? Here is negative 23. Right? The second one's negative 2 plus negative 11 is equals negative 13. So what is the answer? You see immediately here the answer, right? What is the answer? The second one. This one is the answer because C is 22 and B is negative 13. This is our information, our data. Fine for our problem. So next step, just write let me write step 2. Step 2, just write the equation is f to the second power minus 13f plus 22 equals 0. Okay, so the factors here, so you have the numbers. So where are the numbers? Here. You have the numbers right here. So 1 is going to be f. It's easy. Okay. F. Where is the first one? Negative 2. Then f. Where is the second one? Negative 11. Right? So that's it. So now just simplify. So the next step, this step is use a 0 property. Zero property here. And then we're gonna have, in this case, here f minus 2 equals 0, or f minus 11 equals 0. Okay, solve this or simplify. Here we are gonna have f equals 2, and then in this side is f equals 11, right? Why? Because this is negative, you move to the other side, it's positive. Okay, now the solution here, the solution, our problem, the solution are, what is f equals 2 and f equals 11, right? That's it. So far, very simple, okay?